you for watching Lango News Channel.
Anyone wants to come?
Yeah, I think I have my deputy. Where's Mama Zedriga? Magician, come. Let me introduce this man to you. This man is Choli, is Shanda, Cholo, everything. His name is Obote. Yeah. And this is Sheriff. How are you? Hi. Welcome. This is Sheriff. Sheriff is my personal assistant. Okay. And then this is Mayor Murianyama. Now by So I'm not going to take all of you. I'll just go with the president, with your magician. I'll go with the security, maybe there. You think some of these camera guys can come with us?
Look, I'm alone here.
Sure.
I'm perfectly alone.
Sheriff,
I want to see
few people that media is open channel. Oh yeah. Magician, ngoja kidogo.
It's about
And Bridget, do we say like we can see the different leaders of the NRM coming to after the independence? Any cases of insecurity or so what it has all been now, and according to the electoral commission, it was also a big
Some things the president I know was saying it's too good to be true. Exactly. I mean, somebody said if it seems too good, if it appears too good to be true, in those cases it is.
And all parties were among others, were all represented apart from DC that was not represented. I think when all parties are represented, a very tight bundle between the political parties as well as the candidates. We also see more of the independent candidates coming back to the race because you see, like in areas like Rohama, Maine County, whereby almost all of them came back. Those that were the NRM primary, they all returned. It shows that that would be a very close battle within Rohama.
I try to delegate confidence, they're fighting me, they're blocking, so I have never settled since the time. I've been here once during my father's memorial, but that was good to organize. So,
I was watching some of your youth, some of the UPC youth, because they started by blockage.
I mobilized my base. Yeah, I still have to see how to get a base mobilized.
Sure, because the last communication we got is that they had gotten the normal ground. Unfortunately, the security were trying to disrupt them.
Yeah. But I'm told it's about just an hour from here.
Yeah, it's not far.
Yeah.
But the road is being worked on. This road, if you look at the 87 budget, this road was done. Tarmac was done in 87. We have not seen it 2025 with that being done. And you sit on your feet.
Women are never visitors. Can I come and
You can come and help me.
in my culture?
Tulabye oyingira faamu y'omugagga.
Yeah, in exclusive there, yes.
They were just cutting everything for charcoal. So I designed this one with some of the old trees around.
All trees came from within here.
The older trees which were within the area, but they've cut everything for charcoal.
You designed it, you must be artistic.
I explained with my architect what you want, come back and forth.
Yeah.
So I designed it in a way whereby wind is normally from that side. I can open this side, open both sides, you get to breathe.
I love the art.
And then
So inviting, so serene. Anybody would want to have this as a retirement home.
Yeah.
but now we're going to post retirement.
He's the first Ugandan that listened to it.
What?
Yeah. And he gave me a freestyle of Bad Boy from Kololo.
High school guy from Koro.
Yeah, high school guy from
came
Kololo.
from very
You remember that?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
We met several times around. That was first England.
Around Bukoto there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And me and his in on campus, Apache.
Wow.
We we go to we came on lorry here to train women, and then she won. And they were very young, tiny, small, but she won. Then we kept in touch, and then Juba Peace Process, and the rest is.
She's been in Parliament 5 times.
Yes. Yeah. From campus. Yeah. So you see. Wow.
Main house has 7. I have it, but I want to find it.
There's a silver lining at the place. We're riding there.
Michael. Please, Michael.
So I say, this. Absolutely. I am fighting to be back in the race. If you have anywhere you can also put a word in for me, please.
Absolutely.
I have not given up. I have matters to raise. We need to put issues which will help all of Uganda. So we should have that openness and see how best we can handle.
Keep up the fight whenever I can, whenever we can, we shall add a voice.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.